Hello, Tuấn.
Hai tháng.
I have some question about Google.com. Can I ask you some question?
Sure.
Who is the owner of Google.com?
Yes, it's owned by Google LLC.
Okay.
What type of website is Google.com?
It is a web search engine. Mm, do you know when was it launched?
It was launched on September 15, 1997. What programming language does Google.com use?
Uh, the developers use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end. And they also use C++, Go, Java, and Python, PHP for the backend. What is the main purpose of this website?
Its purpose is to search for information and provide uh, service like Gmail translation and weather for the guys. What are its main features?
It features text-based search engine, voice search, Gmail, calculator, time zone, currency, word translations, weather forecast, word definitions, and so on. It also has social networking tools, organization tools, chat tools. Mm, how many unique visitors does this website have per month?
It has about 1.6 billion unique visitors each month. How many search uh, queries are there per day?
About 3.5 billion searches per day.
Thank you information.
That's all.
Bye.